Guys, I am giving Robux to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I am super excited to be making this updated video today to show you how to get secrets in Still a Brainrot. You can get every single secret unlocked and for free, and this prevents you having to steal them or try and find them with the luck. But I'm going to show you how to get all secrets in Still a Brainrot. This is going to get you every single one. You can also get infinite luck as well if you wish. And these are working codes for Still a Brainrot Roblox. So just make sure you follow the instructions that I'm going to show you in this video. It's going to take you a few minutes, but it is well worth it. So as you can see, I've got my mobile phone. Do this on your mobile, guys. Use your iPhone or Android device. Just have an internet connection and go to www.coldcoupons.com. So you're going to want to type it exactly like this into your mobile phone internet browser. And basically this is a codes website. I've used them previously for tons of other Roblox games, but they did have a Still a Brainrot codes page on here. So there's currently 4 verified working codes as of today's date, and hundreds of people are using these codes today alone, and they are very highly rated. So scroll down, you can get a code for lucky blocks. You can get the 2nd and 3rd floor for free, so that will increase your base size. You can get infinite luck. And this is the one that I'm showing you guys. This is a Still a Brainrot unlock all the secrets code. So this is going to get secrets in Still a Brainrot completely free. You simply enter the code in game and it's going to fill your base with every single secret. Really easy, really fast. So you can see it says your code is ready and will be revealed after you complete a verification. So your Still a Brainrot code is currently protected. And what you're going to want to do, guys, is unlock your code by clicking the button and following the instructions. I'm just going to skip past this. I don't want to waste the code for this video, and I've already got all the secrets. But basically, you've got to complete 2 of the tasks you see on this screen. You may see slightly different ones to me. But they're all going to be completely free. They do take a few minutes to complete, but if you follow the instructions for each of the 2 that you choose, they'll be pretty easy, and your code will be fully unlocked. So it will redirect you back to cold coupons, and your Still a Brainrot code will be fully revealed. You can go ahead, redeem it in game, and that is how to get secrets in Still a Brainrot. Really easy, takes just a few minutes. You just got to go to cold coupons, find the Still a Brainrot Roblox codes page and scroll down and select the all secrets code. So hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Still a Brainrot tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.